Nokia 2600 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You need the following tools: metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, the SRT6 and a slotted screwdriver. Always protect the window and the B cover with a protective film. Unlock the B and A covers and remove them. Protect the LCD and lift out the key mat. Protect both sides of the window with film. Unscrew the 6 screws in the following order. Remove the screws with tweezers if necessary. Lift the module out vertically. Carefully open the LCD connector with the SRT6. Gently release the clips and lift off the C cover. Push out the earpiece with the torque driver. Remove the LCD while carefully flexing the C cover. Protect the LCD with film. Lift out the shield. Carefully lever out the system connector with the slotted screwdriver. Remove the microphone with tweezers. Carefully unlock the 2 plastic clips holding the antenna. When removing the antenna, first lift it out from the top to avoid damaging the plastic clips. The disassembly procedure is now finished.